Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Godrej's new project by Godrej Properties, which is located right here in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see, this is the exact location of the project. So your land parcel and your marketing office is going to be right over here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now in the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is project overview. So you see the project is going to be constructed on 7.8 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers with 4 basement ground and 46 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Now let's get to know its location. So you see the project is located in KPHP Main Road 4th Phase, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. And this is what your connectivity is going to look like. So you'll be close to the high-tech city. You'll also be close to this Forum Sujana Mall. Now when we talk about the connectivity part, so you easily get connected to the Forum Sujana Mall, which is just 5 minutes away from here. And you also easily get connected to your high-tech city, which is just 10 minutes away from here. Now let's talk about the amenities. So the project is going to come with a wide range of luxurious amenities, which is going to include a clubhouse that is going to be 72,000 square feet. Then there's going to be swimming pool, equipped gymnasium, landscape gardens and a lot more. Now let's talk about the super built up area. So you see 3 BHK starts from 1,579 to 2,204 square feet. And 4 BHK starts from 3,200 to 3,257 square feet. Now coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the project Godrej's new project, which is located in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.